Picture this. You're about to drop 6 figures on a renovation and the only thing standing between you and a budget blowout is a 1-page beige quote that says, "All necessary works." Anna, that's not a design and build proposal, that's a red flag with a PDF attached. I'm Penelope Herbert from Plush Design Interiors, and if your proposal is vague, your renovation will be chaotic. Before you sign anything, you should be able to answer 3 things clearly. What exactly are we doing? Who's responsible for what? And where precisely is my money going? You want to see separate design and build scopes, realistic allowances for kitchens, bathrooms, flooring and lighting, a timeline that's more specific than, about 12 weeks-ish, and a written variations process so, we'll sort it out later, doesn't become your financial horror story. If your proposal is all champagne vibes in the renderings, but cask wine numbers in the allowances, it's not you being fussy, it's them being vague. So if you're staring at a quote thinking, is this solid or is this smoke and mirrors, I've made something for you. Comment design build and I'll send you my free design and build proposal checklist. Print it, take it to your next meeting and quietly find out if your dream reno is actually backed by a grown-up proposal or just beige with better lighting. Comment design build and get expert advice for free. I'm Penelope Herbert from Plush Design Interiors.